Kristen Welker is moderator of Meet the Press. Kristen, good morning. It's so good to see you. You have an exclusive this morning with Governor Gavin Newsom of California. As we just saw in Dana Griffin's piece, he's come under criticism along with Mayor Bass and other officials in Southern California for the preparation and the response to these fires. What's he saying about that?
Well, Willie, this exclusive interview for Meet the Press conducted by our Jacob Soboroff was extensive. He does answer that criticism. Has he done enough? Was California prepared to deal with these wildfires? He gives us new details about the investigation that he has called for into why, for example, there was a shortage of water in some locations. He also talks about the fact that he's now doubled the National Guard. Very defiant, says that now California does have what it needs. But he talks about those Santa Ana winds that you just heard Angie talking about. He says that's his biggest concern over the next 48 hours. He answers the criticism also of President-elect Trump, says that he has invited the president-elect to come to California to see the devastation firsthand. We get new insight into whether the two of them have spoken. And he talks about the future, rebuilding, announces a new executive order to cut through some red tape, Willie, to make it easier for people to rebuild. Willie?
Hard to even think at this point about rebuilding. That will be years and years and years.
Yes.
Kristen Welker, thanks so much. We will look for much more this morning on Meet the Press when Kristen has that exclusive interview from Jacob Soboroff with California Governor Gavin Newsom, along with California's Democratic Senator Alex Padilla and Senate Republican James Lankford of Oklahoma. And if you'd like to help the people of Southern California, we have a list of vetted organizations at NBCnews.com, or you can scan the QR code that you see right there on your screen.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.